You want to cancel Amazon Prime. I do too, so let's do this together. We can do this on the Amazon app on a desktop, but the easiest way is to do this on the phone. This is the Amazon website, and obviously make sure that you're logged in. Along the top here, there's this bar, and if we scroll across, look for the heading that says Prime. Here we have lots of advertising, marketing, propaganda for how brilliant Prime is. We don't need that. Let's scroll back up to the top and click on this arrow here. And that brings up this pull down menu. We're going to look for Manage My Membership. When we click on this option, there's yet even more marketing, advertising, propaganda. We don't need any of this. We need to click again on this option here, Manage Membership. And again, we have yet more stuff on this page. We don't need any of this. We need to again click on Manage Membership. Now this is where it gets interesting. We have two options down the bottom here. One is pause membership. I have no idea why I would pause my membership if I want to end it. I can't see what the benefit is of pausing it, but it's giving us that option before end membership. So I'm going to click on end membership. Now here it's starting to sound a bit like begging, but we've got even more information on what we get for our benefits. And if I click on see all benefits, it takes us back to that first page. We don't want that, so let's go back. And we have to scroll all the way to the bottom to get to these three options here. Remind me later, because you don't want to do it now. See more plans or continue to cancel. So let's continue to cancel. Now I've lost count of the number of menu screens we've gone through, but we still have three more options here. Remind me later, keep membership, or end the Prime membership. I'm getting sick of the adverts on Amazon Prime shows that I hardly ever watch, and I'm buying a lot of stuff on Amazon because I have free postage. If I didn't have Amazon Prime, I probably wouldn't buy the stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and end the membership. So I'm going to click on the bottom option here. Here we have another page telling me when the membership will end. There's an option to continue my membership, so I'm not going to do that. I am calling this Dad Delivers Success. Congratulations, you've cancelled your Amazon Prime membership. Say hi below in the comments if you managed to do this successfully. And right here is what YouTube knows you want to be watching next.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye! Alright, this is going to be the proper one, bye.